Say konnichiwa to the new 2026 Nissan Sentra, keeping you safe, confident, and centered for the journey ahead. Let's get ahead of the comments real quick. Yes, this is the 2026 Nissan Sentra, and yes, it has a CVT, but it's not the one you remember. Nissan's changed actually quite a bit. Let me show you how. Big props to the Nissan design team. This totally redesigned Sentra gives us a fresh take on the sporty fastback silhouette. Sleek lines, smart functionality, and pure style. Oh, and by the way, check out these dealer-installed upgraded rims. These full LED headlights and taillights look modern and refined, brighter, clearer, and sharper than ever. And this V-shape or V-motion grille is a signature of Nissan's design language. Bold, confident, and unmistakable. The Sentra trim lineup runs from simple and efficient S and SV all the way to sporty and premium SR and SL. Either way, you're winning.
Let's talk about tech that really matters. Every 2026 Sentra comes standard with zero gravity front seats. That means your body stays in a natural posture, reducing pressure on your hips and your lower back. Less fatigue, more comfort, and more energy for long drives. Think of it as a ride that makes your chiropractor proud and your mattress at home a little jealous. Taller drivers will love the surprising 44 inches of legroom, while shorter drivers can easily adjust seats height and a pedal distance for comfort and visibility, or use a booster's pillow like my granny. Dual 12.3 inches display put everything front and center, and the ultra smooth touchscreen responds instantly. With Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and built-in Wi-Fi, staying connected is effortless. And the interface is smoother than your best dance move. Speaking of dancing, available on the SR Premium package and the top-tier SL trim, the 8-speaker Bose Premium audio system delivers rich details and the powerful clarity. Music lovers, yeah, this one's for you. The available around view monitor enhances visibility around the vehicle. 360-degree views, plus you get the MOD, moving object detection, that alerts you to any movement around you. If you still hit a curve with this, that's on you.
The Sentra delivers real value. Starting under $23,000 and fully loaded at $31,000, when the average new car is $50,000, that's called buying smart. Powered by a 2.0-liter engine, the 2026 Sentra delivers 29 city, 33 combined, and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. This car is so easy on gas, your wallet can relax. The updated Xtronic CVT has enhanced cooling and dual oil pumps designed to reduce wear and boost long-term reliability. Heading to the mall, grocery run, road trip anyone, the trunk's got you covered. Now 2 inches wider.
And opening all the way up for easy loading. 2026 Nissan Sentra is smart, functional, and dependable.
私はこの車が大好きです。